Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix stop computer from turning off, sleeping, hibernating in minutes. First method is click Start, Settings, click Power. Click and expand screen and sleep. Change settings to never. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Click Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click and expand Human Interface Devices. Right-click USB Input Device, click Power Management, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Right-click USB Input Device, click Power Management, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Change Never to turn off hard disk after. Change Sleep after never. Change Power Button Action Change to shut down, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.